Hello guys. What are you going to do with that stool? Put it back? Put it back right now? No! Look! No, Allah. Kaya pala. Gusto mong andyan ha? No. You cannot play with this. No! Marunong ka na talaga, boy. Move. Tingnan mo yung paa niya. O yan, dito. Madumi yung stool na. Suot na rin ni Sawyer yung nabili kong brief sa kanya. Dahil, marunong na siya, guys, pumunta ng bathroom, umihi at magpupu. So, ayan na siya guys. Oh. Brief na yung gamit niya, hindi na diaper. Sa gabi lang ay ginagamitan ko siya ng diaper kasi baka ihi siya sa bed. Pero, before siya matulog, iihiin siya. I know.
This is orange.
What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job. Sana tuloy-tuloy na to. Pag lumabas kasi kami guys ay hindi yan siya nagpipipi sa kanyang diaper. Pero nilagyan ko ng diaper baka in case ba ayaw ko namang umihi siya sa sasakyan sa kanyang car seat. Kanina nagpupu siya. Doon na siya sa restroom. Yan, tinatawag lang niya ako after niya magpupu. What's your problem? I think you throw it in the couch. I don't know. Pinapalambot ko muna to. For Chloe, guys. Dahil, I know. I know. Kasi lalagyan ko siya ng repolyo. Yan. Lagyan ko siya ng repolyo ko. Yun ang ipapakain ko sa asawa ko, guys. Sauté repolyo. Ginisang repolyo ba? I know. Who?
That's me.
Oh, yan.
That's me.
Nakita ko sa pantry, guys. Meron pala akong puto. Meron pala ako nito. Yan. Gagawin ko to siya, guys. Ngayon. Lulutuin ko to ngayon para meron kaming pang merienda. Ang puto. Kukunin ko muna yung aking steamer. Saan yung steamer ko dito? Kunin ko muna guys yung aking steamer. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ko nilagay ito. Yung timbangan ko. Dito ko kasi nagalagay yung aking yung aking mga kitchen appliances. Ito yung steamer ko guys. Isasaksak ko lang siya. Easy lang siya kasi. Isasaksak ko lang. So, para hindi ako mahirapan ba. Yan. Buti na lang meron akong puto. Nabili ko yan siya guys sa Seafood City. Nakalimutan ko lang siyang lutuin ba. So, ayan yung steamer ko. Sawyer kumakain. So, gagawin ko muna to siya guys. Para pagdating ni Samantha at Shelton, meron silang merienda. Kumakain naman yan sila ng puto. Ako guys, gagawa na sana ako oh. Naka-ready na yung ko. Lagayan ko nito. Ang problema guys, di ko alam kung saan ko nilagay yung aking molding. Na puto molding. Wala ako. Kaya, bibili muna ako. Nakalimutan ko kung saan ko nilagay yun guys. Marami yun eh. Alam mo naman, kalimutin na ako ngayon. So, Hindi na ako magluto ng puto, guys. Magluto na lang ako ng spaghetti. Yan. Ito yung gamitin ko. Magluto ako ng spaghetti. Kuha ako ng tawag dito yung nabili ko na ground pork. Kasi ground pork ang ilalagay natin dyan. Saan ko ba yun? Ilalagay yung ground pork. Yung nabili ko. Ito yun. Ito yung nabili ko sa Walmart. So, ito ko lang to guys. Para makapagluto ako ng spaghetti. Akyat muna ako sa taas. Kasi naglalaban na naman ako. At i-check ko yung room nila Sam at saka ni Shelton guys. Kung malinis ba. At yung bathroom nila. Nope. Ayan. Ganyan sila guys. Pag papasok. Ayan nagmamadali. Hindi malinis. So, ipapalinis natin yan mamaya. Eto na naman. Hindi naman si Samantha at saka si Shelton ay dito natulog kagabi. Ito sila natulog. Magkasama sila natulog kagabi. Ayan, makalat yung room ni Samantha. Ayan. Mamaya, ipapaayos ko sa kanila. No, that's ponytail of Sisi. You can't have that. Okay.
Mom, let's hold it.
Sisi's bathroom is not clean. Brother's room is not clean too. So, mamaya pagdating nila guys ay ipapalinis ko sa kanila. Ayan. Yung kay Sam. Ipapalinis ko sa kanila. Ayan. Yung mga ponytail andito. Yung mga hairbrush. Yung hairbrush niya. Yung towel andyan pa. So, kailangan ko yung ipalinis mamaya guys. Kasi hindi yan pwede sa akin. Yung tawag ito, damak ba? Yan pwede sa akin. So, kailangan ko silang turuan. Yun guys ay nalabhan ko na yun. Nilagay ko lang muna dyan. Tutupiin ko yan siya. Oops! At ito, yan, naglalaba ako ngayon. Kaya ganyan yan siya guys. Naglalaba ako. Gusto nilang gumala pero hindi sila makagala kasi si Sawyer gusto ring lumabas. Where are you going? Where you think you're going, boy?
Dad, the garage door won't open.
Come on.
Flip that breaker behind where the scooter's on that red button. You gotta push it really hard.
Oh, the breaker. Well, breaker. I can do it.
Really hard, but I can't.
Hold on.
It's behind this.
Kukunin ko lang yung guys. Yung cabbage. Yan. Para lutuin ko na sa asawa ko. Hala! Hala! Don't get out! Nagpa-sounds yung kapitbahay namin kasi nag-exercise sa garage. Get inside! See? You can take it off your... Naku, naunsa na. Gawas-gawas, manggukadong. Okay. Ito yung gisahin ko, guys. Tinanong ko yung mga anak ko, guys. Sabi nila, hindi daw sila kakain ng Filipino spaghetti dahil hindi daw sila parang ayaw pa nila, guys. Kumakain naman sila ng Filipino spaghetti pero ayaw nilang kumain ngayon ng Filipino spaghetti. Kaya hindi ko muna siya lulutuin ang lulutuin ko ay pizza. Cheese pizza. Yeah.
Mommy, need an apple. Yeah, pretty button bread.
It's over there, the pizza. Oh, the pizza? The iPad.
Pretty button bread.
Yung brother kasi niya at saka yung sister niya ay andun sa friend house. Kaya sinabi ko na lang sa school yung kapatid niya. You want bread? How about this one? This is the rules, Hawaiian rules. Okay. Okay, I'll give you the Hawaiian rules, okay? Okay, hati lang, okay? Only half, okay? Medyo matamis-tamis to Hawaiian rolls, guys. Nagustuhan ko din to. Wala si brother lagi eh. They're in school. They're in school. Oh, peanut butter? Diyos ko, ang hirap kasi. It's hard to understand, Sawyer. Peanut butter pa lang sinasabi niya. Ha? What small one? It's okay. This is peanut butter. Naku. Lagyan ko muna ng peanut butter ang kanyang bread kasi nagreklamo siya. Give it to me. Do you want me to put in the spoon too?
Yeah.
Come here. Okay. Good job. Okay. Eat now. Peanut butter pa yung sinasabi niya. Okay. So, hindi ako makapagluto guys ng spaghetti, Filipino spaghetti dahil gusto nila guys ng cheese pizza. So, magluluto ako mamaya ng cheese pizza. Pero, magluto muna ako ng ginisang cabbage at lagyan ko siya ng carrots kasi gustong-gusto to siya ni Sawyer ang carrots, guys. So, ayan, naghiwa-hiwa muna ako ng carrots. Ito yung cabbage. Ito yung bawang. So, maghiwa muna tayo. Peanut butter pala yung sinasabi niya sa akin kanina. What about this? Okay, yes. Yes. Isang buong cabbage ilagay natin guys. So, ito guys, nahiwa ko na yung carrots, sibuyas, tsaka bawang. Tapos, nahugasan ko na rin ang repolyo at tsaka na-marinate ko na yung pork loin ng soy sauce, garlic powder at tsaka ground black pepper. At tsaka mayroon akong hiniwa dito guys na atsal. So, mag-start na tayo guys magluto. Sibuyas. Takpan muna natin, guys. Lagyan natin yung carrots. Takpan natin ulit, guys. Kunin ko muna ang cheese pizza. Ha? More of what? Okay, I'll have to get the pizza, okay? In the outside, in the freezer. Uy, bukas pala tong garage. I'm here. I'm just gonna get ito, guys. Oh, yung cheese pizza. Move your hands. Your hand, your finger. Your finger. Oh, almost. Wait for a minute. Ito yung cheese pizza, guys. Open. 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 Oh, very good. Open. Yan na naman siya. Ito yung cheese pizza. Nag-gupi mo na dong. Get it. Okay. Get inside. Ito, guys, yung cheese pizza. No, do that. Nag-gupi siya, pero maano dito siya. Ma-straight. Ito. Pag niluto mo na. Okay. Bigas siya kasi frozen. Lagay natin sa oven pag ready na ang oven, guys. Check natin kung okay na ba natin carrots. Ilagay na natin ang cabbage. Huh? Oh my gosh. Hold on, Mommy's gonna mix this one. Daddy is here. Yan natin ng chicken powder.
I'm going to try some of those meatballs. You think I put them in there?
Yeah.
Got the oil change, got the car wash, got the little gas. So, Big O charges. Is somebody here? Company?
I think so.
Big O charges $50 a tire since I bought my own tires to put them on. Jiffy Lube charges $20 per tire, mounted, balanced, and everything. So I'll use them. I'm so proud of you because you wear a brief and you don't have a diaper because you're a big boy now. Are you a big boy? Are you a big boy? You did Walmart? Are you a big boy now? Can I get a high five because you're so good because you got a brief on? Can I get a fist bump? Yeah. Can I get a fist bump too? Fist bump because you're a big boy now because you have a brief. Look, you have a brief like Daddy. Look, Daddy has a brief too. See? Now you're like me. Your big
He
boy.
said it's in Walmart. We bought it
Mm-hmm.
from Walmart.
It has number 2 on it.
Give me a hug.
Number
I need to buy another pack of it because I only
Okay.
buy.
Give me a hug.
Yeah.
I'm going to place an order for some zero sugar tea, so I can add it.
There's no more?
No, we're out.
There's no
I
more?
drank it all.
Oh.
It has a green.
Yeah, I have a brief. Look, see, just like you. I'm a big boy like you, because we both have a brief. See, give me a hug.
Yeah,
Good job,
it has
Sonia.
blue on it.
Good job, Sonia.
It has number 2
Did you miss
on it.
Daddy?
Yeah, that is so blue.
Daddy is so blue?
Yeah.
Why Daddy is so blue?
I don't know. Let me do it. Get that blue.
Sweet boy. You love Daddy. Oh my God, I need to go get my water bottle. I'm so thirsty. Not very much water.
And can you taste this one? Because I can't taste it. Club off na daw.
Hold on, Daddy's gonna use his water bottle, okay?
Luto na siya, guys.
Be careful when you walk, it's gonna be wet.
Lagyan na
now.
natin yung
You spilled
pizza.
it. It'll be slippery, be careful.
Cheese pizza.
Go back in.
Okay. Yan guys, luto na ang ginisang cabbage at saka with carrots. Ginisang repolyo at carrots. Yan. With pork loin, guys. So, yan. Yan, guys. Muntik nang mapagod yung cheese pizza. Iniwa ko na. Kasi para hindi sila mahirapan mag-kain mamaya. Ayan. Luto na ang pizza. Oh, alay. Biglang nag-brown out sa amin, guys.
Dad, I just see it.
Sabi nyo. You forget it. Open the curtains,
I
Sam.
didn't forget it. I know it's paid. It's paid.
Wow, brown out sa amin.
And if you didn't pay it, they would turn it off on the 15th. And this is not.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is
Akala ng asawa ko.
15th.
Kalimutan niya magbayad. So, niya, hindi ko makakalimutan yan. Tapos, chinek niya. Hindi nga. So, burn out nga. Dito. Yung TV naka-off na. Brown out. Pero mabilis lang naman to mag-ilaw agad, guys. Umalik yung electric. Mabilis lang.
Mom, look.
Dahil walang electric, wala ding internet, guys.
Look.
I know.
Look. Do it out.
You have data, so you have to...
So do it out.
Meron na. May data kasi yung ano niya. iPad niya. Lahat ng iPad namin mayroong data. Kaya, heart went out. As long as hindi low band, meron kaming internet. Kain tayo, guys. Oh, kumakain ako. Tapos biglang nag-brown out. Bumalik na, guys. Mga 2 minutes lang siguro ang brown out. Tapos bumalik agad. What do you want? Pizza here. Here, I'll give it to you. Kumakain na sila, guys. You wanna eat here? You have to eat in here. Yeah. Like pizza. Yummy. Yummy? So yummy pizza? Say, let's eat. Pizza.
A pizza.
Oh, yum yum.
Carrot, not eating carrot.
I'm not talking to you.
I eating pizza.
Yeah, you eat pizza, but I did not say you eating carrots.